This is the screencast for section 10.2, example 2. We're going to find component form then. So now we're going to be given the magnitude and direction of this vector, and we're going to go back to component form. So we have, in example 2, find the component form of a vector with magnitude 3, so it's got a length 3, and direction angle 40, so 40 degrees off of the positive x-axis. Well, let's see here. I need an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. Well, the cosine of 40 degrees is going to be the adjacent, or x-coordinate, over the hypotenuse, so 3. So the cosine of 40 equals x over 3, which means then x equals 3 cosine of 40 degrees. Then I need a y-coordinate of my vector. So the sine of 40 is opposite over hypotenuse, so y over 3. Solve for y, and I get 3 times the sine of 40 degrees. Now that gives me my x and y, but of course I want to put that into vector form. So it has those little brackety things, and then I have 3 cosine 40 degrees, and then 3 sine 40 degrees for the y. And then if you want to put that in decimal form, you can too. Then now try problem number 13. It says find the component form of the vector with the given magnitude that forms the given directional angle with the positive x-axis. So we have magnitude 5, so length of 5, and then a 100 degree angle with the positive x-axis. So that's going to look like this. Magnitude 5, length 5, and then 100 degrees of rotation from the positive x-axis. Well, if I want to find an x and y coordinate, I can't use the triangle over here. I'm going to need a reference triangle. And I'm going to use the reference angle, so I call that theta sub r for reference, I guess. And let's see here. So I've got my x and my y, which just means then that x is going to be 5 times the cosine of 100. I just did the work for cosine of 100 equals x over 5, multiply both sides by 5, so I just did that work automatically. The y-coordinate then is going to be 5 times sine of 100, which means then that in vector form, that's going to be negative 0.868, or 5 cosine of 100 degrees, and then 5 sine of 100 degrees, which is 4.924.